Hi friends, I'm Jayamala Dasari, Jaya Dasari Recipes. Today's recipe is chicken curry. Very simple and easy recipe. Anybody can make it. Okay friends, let's start. I put pan on stove, added oil, onion, tomato, fresh coriander leaves. Mix well and keep it ready. Now add marinated the chicken, add garlic ginger paste, turmeric powder, salt, chili powder, salt according to your own taste. Use less or more. Mix it. Now add some fresh curry leaves, lemon juice, few green chilies. Mix it again. Cover it. Now onions and tomatoes became soft. Add the marinated chicken to dish. Mix it well. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Now add coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala. Mix it again. Now this time add glass of water. I just missed the clip. Mix well again. Cover and cook another 15 minutes more. It's now 15 minutes. Here is a roasted almond powder. I took 3 tablespoons. I always roast the almonds and grind the powder and keep it ready. Now this powder add to the chicken curry. This will make chicken curry very tasty. Mix again and cook another 4 to 5 minutes. I hope you like this chicken curry friends. If you like, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Now add garnish with the fresh coriander leaves. Enjoy.